Konnichiwa! Hey guys, what is up? It's me again with the new video. We are going to get ready with me today. That's why we're in the bathroom. We are going to create this look right here. And if you know who I am, kudos to you. For those of you who don't, I'm Kakashi, just the female version of a Japanese anime show, Naruto. And I think it came out pretty good. Like, this is tough. Like, yeah. So, without further ado, let's get into it. the final female Kakashi look. This is what we ended up with. I hope you guys like it. I really like it. Like, look at the back. On point, to a T, I'm telling you. I'm gonna put a picture right here so you can see the male Kakashi, what we're working with, my inspiration for this. And you guys gotta see Mitchell because of course we did couples costumes again this year. So as soon as he's ready, I'll get us on camera together. But I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me. And I'll see you in a little bit. Thank you guys for watching my video today. And I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. I know I said I was going to show you Mitchell in his outfit, but he's not feeling well. So if you head over to Instagram, follow me, and you'll be able to see some pics of us together. Bye.